The next video on converting our web app to progressive web app. So for progressive web app we need a maskable icon, and if you have a normal app icon you can easily create a maskable icon using this website. So if you see over here, I already have a maskable icon, but if you don't, you can just use this normal 512 by 512 image, add it over here, you can open icon file and load, or otherwise if you want you can load from URL as well. And for Apple, to show the icon images you have to use something like this, like Apple touch icon, size 180 by 180, and here I am referencing icons 180.png. Similarly over here as well I am using Apple touch icon 120 by 120, icons icon 120.png, then link rel equal to, and this link rel is added because of fav icon, so we can display this fav icon as well. And if you see web app manifest, I have already shown you in the last video, but this is how I'm referencing my icons inside my web app manifest. So you can add something like this as well. Again, this is only for Apple to display these icons. To generate splash screen for your progressive web app, so there are different ways for generating splash screen for your progressive web app. One is using this library called PWA asset generator, which helps us to generate images for Apple devices. But a better way would be to use this PWA compat library, which is from Google itself, and it on the fly using JavaScript generates app icon for our splash screen, which is for iOS as well. So the iOS splash screen would look very similar to Android. That is the only, I don't know, maybe you will call it a disadvantage, but I think that's fine for me. So what you'll have to do is, I have just added this script tag to our index.html, as you can see over here, and it is referencing to the PWA compat library from Google. Next, inside app web.manifest you can define the background color for your splash screen. Also inside styles.css you will, if you want to change the splash screen, so the splash screen displays the icon as well as the title of your app. So if you want to display the font size for your title, you can use something like this. So this CSS property, if you avoid it, that's fine as well. Also, if you have already installed your PWA, you will have to uninstall it because we are changing our metadata, that's why. So that's it for splash screen.